Okay, mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to my vlog. Today, papunta kami sa isa sa pinakamataas na lugar ng Leyte. Diba? It's like one of the highest mountains in Leyte. Diba?
Hindi, may resort lang sa may bundok, yun lang.
Oo.
Hindi siya.
Pero it's like super high in the sky. Diba?
Oh yeah, I guess so. Kasi nasa highest point.
Oh, it's a bus!
Grabe din yung bus.
Mga delikado talaga mag-drive dito sa Leyte. Daming baliw na hindi mo lang sumunod sa mga road rules. In fact, wala akong kilala na nagsusunod ng mga road rules dito sa Leyte. They all just drive all over the road. In Australia, we drive on the left-hand side of the road. In America, they drive on the right side of the road. In the Philippines, they drive basta sa road. Bahala na kung anong side, basta you drive on it.
Na-stress si din pag nagda-drive.
Oh my. So ayan, we're going to this place. It's called, medyo nakakatakot yung pangalan ng lugar. It's called Breakneck Bridge. Bakit kaya Breakneck Bridge?
Marami lang na
namatay doon. By hanging. Death by hanging.
Ito yung favorite ko.
This is your favorite place, Sean.
Huh?
This is your favorite place in Karigara, di ba?
Oh, Sabang.
Ang galing naman. Just move. Oh, it does. Look, you can see over there.
Wala
You can see over
Nawala
there.
Wala na.
So ayun, doon kami pupunta ngayon. Kasama namin si Nanay and si Nitro, tsaka si Ate Pe and Ate Jack. Ayun. Alright.
Where's Uncle Nano, Nitro?
Oh, where is? Oh, natulog na.
Uncle Nano sleeping.
Natulog na. Alright guys. Tara na. Alright, Dwantro Fam, ito siya. Breakneck Ridge. We are at the top of this mountain here. So, well, hindi pa. Andun yung pinakataas na lugar ng bundok na to. So, puntahan natin yun. Andun na sa andun na si Shanta, Nitro. Alright, let's go. Nitro!
Daddy!
Yes, buddy?
They have dinosaurs.
They have dinosaurs here?
What?
Where's the dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs out there.
Oh, are they? Oh, we're gonna go up there later, okay? Let's go here. Let's go inside here because it's raining.
There's dinosaurs.
Where's the dinosaurs though?
Ate Faye.
Ate Faye. Juggling. Ah! It's money.
Ganda, no? You can see the ocean right up there. It's cool here, hey Nitro? You like this
I
place?
want to go to
Hanging din.
dinosaurs.
There's no dinosaurs. There's no dinosaurs here. Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
There's no dinosaurs here, buddy. So the owners of this place bought it 2 years ago pa lang, during pandemic. Binili nila itong resort. Tapos dinidevelop pa nila. Oh wow, we got some little totem heads hanging from the tree. Wow, that's cool. Hey Nitro. We're gonna go to the top of the hill, okay? Yeah, let's go. Say tara na.
Tara na.
We made it, Nitro, to the top of the hill. Woohoo!
Be careful there.
Be careful the rock.
Ang minamahal ko, aking diwata.
Alright guys, we made it! Look at that. Look at that view. We made it to the top of the hill, buddy. Yay! Where? There? On that hill? Oh, that's too far, man. So far away. There's nothing up there, just power lines.
I want to go to Bangladesh.
You want to go to the power lines?
Ayun o. Hindi makita sa video pero parang ayun yung clearing na yun. Parang Switzerland. Oh, Switzerland. Pumunta ka na. Social.
Let's go out there.
Okay, let's go. What about the swimming pool? You want to go to the pool?
Let's go to the pool.
Let's go.
Look at the pool.
Yeah.
Can you say, Mommy, let's go to the swimming pool?
Yeah.
You say, Mommy, let's go to the...
Mommy, let's go to the swimming pool.
Okay, let's go to the swimming pool.
Let's go, buddy.
It's downhill. Tara na! Mahulog! Did you just say mahulog? Nitro, look at Mommy. What did you say?
What?
Mommy swim.
Mommy's
How about baby Nitro?
Baby Nitro swim.
How about Daddy?
Daddy swim.
Let's go.
We all
they have a little slide here. You can slide down into the pool. Woohoo, that's cool, isn't it?
Slide down in the pool.
You want to go down the slide into the pool?
No.
Where's Mummy?
Yes.
Mummy.
Mommy, you fall.
Mummy will fall?
Yes. Mommy fall. You fall, Mommy.
You gonna push Mummy into the pool, Nitro?
Yes.
Yes.
Be careful, you might fall.
You slide there, Auntie. Slide there. Slide there. Slide there.
Baby Nitro, not the fit.
Slide
I don't have clothes.
She doesn't have swimwear.
No.
You have clothes. Tama man, yeah, you have clothes.
there. You swim, Daddy.
Nahadlak. You go to daddy. Alaka, alaka.
Nitro, you in the pool? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready again?
Again.
1, 2, 3.
That's enough. You might fall down.
Let's go there to the cottage.
Oh, let's
You
go.
fall down.
Look.
Yeah, don't fall down.
You slide.
Let's go there to the
Let's go
cottage,
there.
Nitro. Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, let's go over there. It's fun. It's fun. We can climb up the
Oh,
stairs.
you might fall down.
You fall down. You slide, fall down. I will push you.
Let's go, Nitro.
Mommy. Oh, no.
All right, we are in the cottage. Woohoo!
Uy, may
Little bahay kubo.
Pati kung
May
may...
mga gamit. Baka may natutulog dito. I don't think this is finished yet. Still in development pa. Pero ang ganda ng view when you sit down here. Gusto ko na may ganito kami sa lupa namin. Magpatayo kami ng ganito sa lupa. Parang chill area lang. Sarap, di ba? Oh, it's raining. Mommy and Nitro caught in the rain. Nitro likes the rain. Nitro loves the rain. Parang ako, mahilig din ako sa ulan. Love it. Doon sa Australia kasi hindi nagkakasakit ng ulan. Hindi ka magkakasakit kung naulanan ka. Dito, ewan ko lang. What are you doing, Nitro? Nitro! Hey! What are you doing? Gusto ni Nitro mag-swimming. Nitro?
You fall down.
I fall down.
Slide.
You want Daddy to slide into the pool? Uh-oh.
Gonna fall down.
No, Daddy doesn't have his swimmers on.
You fall down.
No, I can't fall down. You want Daddy to fall down?
Yes.
No, Daddy can't fall down.
You fall down. Daddy, you fall down.
Oh no! Hang on, my phone's gonna get wet. Oh, I am. No, nandudulas na ako.
You fall down.
Alright, Nitro, time to go home.
Yes.
Hey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mommy.
Iiwan ba siya?
Watch out.
Mommy.
Daddy's here. We'll go drive. We'll go home now, okay?
Okay, ano yung
Let's go home.
Mommy.
Yeah, Mummy's here. Look, there's Mummy. Here she is. Alright, uwi na tayo, Dwantro Fam. Let's go!
Hey, yo, check my flow.
Hey Dwantro Fam, maraming salamat sa panonood. Now, before we end this video, gusto ko pong i-shoutout ang mga VIP Dwantro Fam members natin. We have Maria Teresa, Diana Absalon Gonzalez, Junio A4, Juliet Oyama, Shelby Cruz, Miss Janet MKLV, Merlinda Enriquez Payne, Susan Ise, Melgar Fibercraft, Nora Sagurit, Alberto Poloy Apoy, Lian Regualos, and Juliet Alvarez. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Guys, if you want to become a VIP Dwantro Fam member, check out the link in the description below. You will get access to exclusive videos every month. Thanks for watching, guys, at kita-kita sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Bye for now.